Dear students, so we have to make a numbers using given numbers, given digits. What are the given digits here? 3, 6, 2, 5. These are the given digits. So after giving these digits, what he is asking? He is asking to prepare or make smallest number by using this, and also greatest number using this digits. Then how to make a smallest number and how to make a greatest number. 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number we have to make. So then, first here is for smallest number. In this 4 digits, which one is the least we have to check? 3, 6, 2, 5. 2 is the least one. First you take the least one. Then after that, little bit bigger number, that is bigger digit, that is 3, and little bit bigger digit, that is 5. Then the biggest one, that is 6. This is the smallest number, so we are making by using the given digits. So this is the method. First we have to take the smallest one first, then after that little bit bigger digit, and after that a little bit bigger digit, and after that little bit bigger digit. In this way we have to take a numbers and make a 4-digit number. In the same way, for greater number we have to take in reverse order. In reverse order, what is your reverse order? First we have to take the biggest one. What is the biggest one? 6 is the biggest one, and little bit bigger is 5. Little bit smaller is 5, sorry. Little bit smaller is 5, and little bit smaller 3, and little bit smaller is 2. In this way we have to prepare a greater number and greatest number, and also smaller number. So 2, 3, 6, 5. This is the smaller. This is the 6, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5, 2, 3. This is the biggest number. So whenever he asked, so and so digits were given, and he asked to prepare smallest number and greatest number. And for smallest number, we have to take the smallest one first, little bit bigger, and little bit bigger. In that way, we have to arrange. In this greatest number also, the same method. First we take the greater number first, and little bit smaller, and little bit smaller. This is the method to make smallest numbers and greatest numbers using given digits. Thank you. Yes, now students, here see. So write the following numerals in ascending order and descending order. The concept already we did in 3-digit number. The same concept is there in 4-digit number also. So here 4 numbers are given. These 4 numbers we have to arrange ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing means first we have to take smaller, and little bit bigger, and little bit bigger, and bigger. In this way we have to arrange. See here, this is the first one, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Total 4 numbers are given. So we have to check these numbers, which one is first, which one is smaller. First we go through first, means 1000 digit. 1, 1, 1, and 1. All are equal. Then we check hundreds place value. This is 3, this is 2, this is 7 and 6. 3, 2, 7 and 6. 3, 2, 7, 6. In this 2 is the least. So first we have to arrange this one. This is the smaller. And little bit bigger is 2. After 2, 3 is the little bit bigger. This is the second place. And after 3, which one is the bigger? And 6 is the bigger. This is third position. And biggest number is 7. This is in fourth position. So in this way we have to check. First we have to check thousands place values. 1000 place value. Here in first number 1 is there. In second number 1 is there. In third number 1 is there. In fourth also 1 is there. In all 4 numerals, thousands place is 1. So now we go for hundreds place. In hundreds place, 3 is there in first one, 2 is there in second one, 7 is there in third one, and 6 is there in fourth one. So 4 different hundreds place values there. Then in this 4 different, 2 is the least one, and little bit bigger is 3, and little bit bigger is 6, and the biggest one is 7. Now you arrange ascending order. This one first, 1293. This is the first. Then after that, this is the second, little bit bigger, 1342, and little bit bigger, this one, 1612, and biggest one, 1759. 1759. This is the ascending order. This is our first question. Second question, the same question, ascending order only. Again 4 numerals given. This is the first numeral, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. In this also same pattern we have to follow. First we have to check thousands place value. This is 1005, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 5, 6. In 5, 4, 5, 6, 4 is the least one. This is the smallest one. In 5 and 5, these two are equal, and 6 is the greatest one. So means this comes last. In these two, again we have to check which one is the smallest one. Here after that, after 5 we go for hundreds place value. Hundreds place value is 0 here. Here hundreds place value is 6 here. In these two, 0 is the least one. This comes in second position. This comes in third position. Like this, one by one we have to check. First, thousands place values. If thousands place values are equal, then we go for hundreds place value. In hundreds place value, which one is the least? That is the least one. Which one is the greatest? That number is the greater number. So, first, ascending order. Ascending order. First, we have to take this number first. 4909. This is the least one. Little bit bigger is 5020, and little bit bigger 5996. 696. Sorry, 696. Then the biggest number among these 4 is 6983. So in this way, so we have to check which one is the least and which one is the greater, and after that we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing means first we have to take smaller number and little bit bigger and little bit bigger and biggest number finally. Then after that, vice versa question is given. In the second question, write the following numerals into descending order. Descending means decreasing the order. Here we have to take bigger number first. Same method we have to follow. Then how to check which one is the bigger and which one is the least. First of all, here some questions are 4-digit questions, 4-digit numerals given, and some numerals are 2-digit numerals and 3-digit numerals also given. First, this is 4-digit numeral, this is 3-digit numeral, this is 2-digit numeral, this is 4-digit numeral. 4-digit numerals are greater than 3-digit. 3-digit numerals are greater than 2-digit. 2-digit numerals are greater than single digit. So in this way, first, greater numerals, 4-digit numerals are greater. This is 4-digit numeral, this is 4-digit numeral. In these two 4-digit numerals, first we have to check thousands place value. In thousands place value, which one is the highest? That is the greater value. Then here 5 is there and here 8 is there. 5, 8. In 5, 8, which one is the greater? 8 is the greater. So this is the greatest value. And little bit smaller is this one. After 4 digit, third digit is the smaller. So this is the third place. And after third digit number, 2-digit numbers are smaller. So this is in fourth position. In ascending order, ascending means increasing order. So ascending order. Descending order, sorry, descending order means decreasing order. Descending order. We have to arrange in descending order. Decreasing order first. Decreasing means first we have to take the bigger one. 8052. Then after that 5432. 5432. Then after this the 3-digit number, that is 245. Then after this double digit, that is 16. Then in the same way, the second question also same. So 2356, 296, 3100, 1002 given. In this also first we have to check number of digits. This is the 4-digit number. This is the 4-digit number. This is the 4-digit number. This is the 3-digit number. 3-digit number is smaller than 4-digit number. Only one number is there, one numeral is there, that is having 3 digits. It means that is the very smaller number. So this is in 4th position. Why we are considering this is 4th position? Because we are arranging in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means very small comes last. In this, after that, in these 3 numbers we have to compare which one is the least and which one is the greater. Then first 1000's place value is 2 here, 3 here and 1 here. In 2, 3, 1, 3 is the greater. 3 is the greater means this comes first, and 2 is the little bit smaller, this comes in 2nd position and this comes in 3rd position. Now descending order. Descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take the highest value. What is the highest value? 3100. Then little bit bigger value 2356. Little bit bigger, little bit smaller value. First bigger value, little bit smaller value, and little bit smaller value, and least value, that is 296. This is a descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Ascending order means increasing order. This is the procedure to arrange ascending order as well as descending order. Now students, here the question is circle the greatest numeral. So in these 5 numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 numerals. So we have to make a circle. We make a circle. Which is a greater one? So first of all, this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the 6th one. Before going to decide which one is the greater, first we have to check 1000's place value. 1000 place value is 3, 1, 6, 4 and 1. 3, 1, 6, 4, 1. In this 3, 1, 6, 4, 1, which one is the greatest one? 6 is the greater one. So we have to make a circle. We have to make this circle only. Only this one is correct. 6520. 6520. This one is the greater numeral. In the second, this is the first one, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. How to decide which one is the greater one? First we go for 1000's place value. This is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8 and this is 8. All are equal. Now we go for 100's place value. In 100's place value, here 8 is there, here 1 is there, here 7 is there, here 7 is there, here 8 is there. 7, 1, 8 means 8 is the bigger. So this is having 8 and this is having 8 in 100's place. These two have 8, 8 in their 100's place. So other 1 and 7, these are the lesser values. We don't want these values. We want only greater values. Greater values we have to, again after this, we have to compare 10's place. 10's place is 1 here and 10's place is 0 here. Tens place is 1 and tens place is 0. In 1 and 0, 1 is the greater, so we have to make circle this only. Like this we have to decide. First the concept is, first we go for thousands place value. If 1000 place values are same, then we go for hundreds place value. In hundreds place value, which one is the bigger? First you take out the bigger values. If same bigger values are 2 numbers and 3 numbers have same bigger values, then you compare only the two. Remaining values you have to eliminate it. Then after that, in this question, 8, 1, 7, 7 and 8. If we compare 1, 7 and 8, 8 is the bigger value. So 8 is the bigger value. In 2 numbers we have 8 in hundreds place, and we compare only these two values. Only bigger values we have to compare, because why? So we make around only greatest value. In these two, 8 is there. In thousands place 8 is there, and in hundreds place is 8. Here also in thousands place 8 is there, and in hundred place also 8 is there. And after that, if both are same in 1000 and 100, we go for tens place. In tens place, here 1 is there, here 0 is there. In 1 and 0, 0 is the least and 1 is the bigger value. So this is the bigger value, this is the greater value, you make a circle. Here this is the bigger, in this is the bigger. This one is the bigger. In this one is the bigger. So what is the procedure? First we go for 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. How? First you check 1000 values. Then if thousands values are same, then you check for hundreds value. If hundreds values are also same, you go for tens value. If tens also same, you go for ones value. In this way you go and you check. In the same way, cross out the smallest numerals. Smallest numerals we have to make a cross. Here circle, here cross. Circle means don't circle this. Only circle the largest one. Only circle the greatest numeral. Not all numerals. According to given, what is given in the question, it is given that greatest numeral. Circle the greatest numeral. We have to make a circle for greater only, not for all. Here we have to make a cross. Here not circle. We make a cross. For what? Smallest numeral. It is vice versa. There is a question, that is the greater numeral for circle for greater numeral, and cross for smaller numeral. Then what is the procedure, what is the method to follow to check which one is the smallest one? Here again 5 numerals are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numerals, first we have to check the thousands place values. In thousands place value, 1 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there, 4 is there, and 1 is there. 1, 2, 6, 4, 1. 1 is the least one. We want only smallest. So how many such numbers are there? 2 numbers. 1 is here and 1 is here. So again in these 2 numbers we go for hundreds value. Hundreds, 1 is here and 1 is here. Again in these 2, the hundreds place value also same. And after that, if both are same, 1000 also same and 100 also same, then you go for tens place value. What is there in tens place value? 9. Here also 9. Then tens place value also same. Then if tens place value also same, then you go for ones place value. What is ones place value here? 8. Here 9. 8 and 9, which one is the smaller? 8 is the smaller. If 8 is the smaller, then you make a cross. This is the smaller value. Then how the procedure is same? First we go for thousands place value. In thousands place value, which one is the least? First you go for the least. If least values, 2 such least values are there in thousands place, again you compare that 2 values only. In hundreds also, if they are same, you go for tens value. If tens also the same, then you check in ones. If in ones variation is there, which one is the bigger, then that is the bigger. Which one is the smaller, that one is smaller. Smaller number, you have to make a cross. Then the next question, again the same procedure. Then how to follow, how to make a cross, how to find a smaller number. Then first thousands place value 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. In all 2, 2, 2, 2 is there. Then go for hundreds place value. 1, 9, 1, 3, 9. 1, 9, 1, 3, 9. 1, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1 is the least. How many such numbers are there? 2 such numbers. Here one number and here one number. In 1, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1 is the least. In these two numbers, in hundreds also, same values there. Then you go for tens value. Here tens value is 9. Here tens value is 3. In 9 and 3, which one is the least? Here 3 is the least value. 9 is the bigger value. It means this one is the least value. Make a cross. Make a cross. How? Again, once you listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numerals are given. In these 5 numerals, so we have to decide which one is the smallest one. After deciding smaller one, we make a cross. Then first, you check thousands place value. Thousands place value is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. In all thousands place value is same. Then after that you go for hundreds place value. Here hundreds place value is 1, 9, 1, 3, 9. 1, 9, 1, 3, 9. 1 is the least. 1 is the least. How many least such values were there? 2 values were there. These two are. In these two numbers, thousands place value and hundreds place value. Thousands place value and hundreds place values are same. Then you go for tens place value. In this tens place value is 9. In this tens place value is 3. Then 3 is the least one. It means this one is the least among all these 5. Then make a cross. In this way, so we have to make which one is the smaller and which one is the larger or greater or bigger.